Dawn Zoldai here, P3 Tech Consulting.
Dave Kraus, Influential Drones.
We're on day 6 of the FAA's Drone Safety Awareness Week, and today we're going to talk about how safe flyers share the sky. So get out and fly. We really want you to get out there with your drone, explore, have a great time, but be safe doing it.
Most important thing to do before you get up in that air, check your airspace. You may want to scan that QR code to get access to the FAA's Before You Fly free website. The next thing you want to do is practice certain things. You want to go over a checklist. Here's some things you want to look out for pre-flight, during, and post. To help you out and help you be a better photographer, here's some tips and tricks. Don't forget to keep the sun behind you. Always pick an alternate landing spot in case of an emergency. And please, be respectful and courteous and a good neighbor. Respect other people's privacy.
You know, that's a great segue, Dave, because in the military, we would always say, you're an ambassador 24/7. Well, the same thing applies here. When you're out flying your drone, just know you're representing the entire community. So get out there, have fun, be safe, be awesome. If you have any questions, go ahead and email us. Check us out again tomorrow. And in the meantime, fly safe.